When I hear chocolate, right, I think of so many different brands. There's so many different types of chocolate. There's so many different ways you could buy chocolate. How did you sort of say to somebody who'd say, like, well, why is your thing so special and different? Because that's something that I think comes up a lot in all different industries. It's like, well, there's a lot that already exists. So what's so different about yours? How did you kind of, not just get the confidence, but how would you pitch yourself that it was a different product?
Well, things have evolved a lot, and I think in Sacramento, the agriculture around us has made me the pastry chef that I am. Luckily, and the chocolatier that I am. But I always loved the European style. When we started when a lot of culinary, when you graduate from culinary school, a lot of people were doing food coloring. And it just kind of turned me off. I love some of the more European style, like Maison du Chocolat or Patrick Roger, and they didn't have a lot of food coloring. It was all just the color of chocolate. And I think the color of chocolate is sexy. So I wanted to have this boutique that when you walked in, most everything was the color of chocolate and full and beautiful. And I think that, I think that was the main driver for me was that inspired me the most. Those companies and just doing enrobed bonbons instead of food coloring. And till this day, we still don't have food coloring. But then a few years passed, and I really started getting in tune with the farms. Thanks to Patrick Mulvaney, he really introduced me to a lot of local farms. And he has a restaurant that I used to rent out of when I had a wholesale company, but called Mulvaney's B&L. But basically, I just started, I have about 30 to 40 different farms that I've been in touch with throughout the years. And now a lot of my bonbons are inspired by local organic farms. So, and what we have growing around us in this valley, we do get some produce like limes and passion fruit from San Diego County from Beck Grove Farms, but mostly everything is around Yolo County, El Dorado County, things like that. So what sets us apart, I tell people, is we use an excellent couverture chocolate from Valrhona, and we use different dairies from Northern California, including different, yogurt from different, from the Lincoln area, all the way from Strauss to Sierra Nevada Cheese Company butter. We use, you're getting a taste of California. That's pretty much how we market ourselves now. And we're very proud of that for sure.
Yeah, I love that.